Picture this, your new fire feature has just arrived and you're ready to set it up. After unboxing all the parts, you realize you aren't sure where to start. Here's where the installation manual comes in handy. Hi, I'm Matt with Woodland Direct. Today we'll show you exactly how to read your installation manual so that you can set up your fire feature like a pro. First and foremost, do not throw away your installation manual, even after you install your fire feature. All fire products have their own unique setup requirements. That means you won't be able to rely on any other manual to get the job done safely. Each installation manual also includes specific troubleshooting instructions for your fire feature if you run into any issues. It's the installer's responsibility to make sure the fire feature is installed in compliance with the manufacturer's instructions. You'll also need to ensure your product complies with local fire codes. When you open your installation manual, one of the first sections you'll see is the warnings and safety information. This section ensures that you are installing and operating your product correctly. It also lists all of the warnings that you should be aware of before you start using your fire feature. In the following section, you'll find the table of contents, which outlines each chapter in the manual. If you need to locate a certain page, you can refer to this section. Next, you'll see the assembly instructions, which explain how to put your product together. The assembly instructions detail how to unpack your components and install your gas connection. It also shows you how to properly place your burning media if your fire feature requires it. Now we'll move on to the operating instructions. This section provides step-by-step directions on how to operate your fire feature. It's important to follow the operating instructions in the order that they are listed. Otherwise, you run the risk of personal injury, property damage, or an explosion. After the operating instructions comes the maintenance and repair section. This portion carefully explains how to keep your fire product in top condition. If your product ever needs repairs, the manufacturer's contact information is listed, as well as possible solutions for the issue. Your installation manual will also have a warranty section. This portion covers the written guarantee issued with your purchase. The warranty is the manufacturer's promise that a product will meet certain quality and performance standards. If not, the product will be repaired or replaced within a specific time frame. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of how to read an installation manual. If you have any questions about your manual or need help setting up your fire feature, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you and enjoy your fire feature.